Hi y'all, welcome to the Basics with Cocktail and Sons and the Underground Cooking Club. My name is Chandler Tomayko and today I'm going to teach you how to shake a cocktail. First things first, there are 4 styles of shaker. There is the French shaker, also known as the Parisian, ergonomic in design, a little obscure and hard to find. You might be familiar with the cobbler shaker, also called the martini or a 3-piece, easily distinguishable because it has the strainer in the lid. And then we find the Boston shaker and its variant, very popular in commercial bars, very popular among professional bartenders. The traditional Boston shaker has a 28-ounce tin and a 16-ounce pint glass that form its 2 components. The variant, also known as the tin-on-tin, is very similar, but instead of a pint glass, we find another metal tin that is smaller in size. You might be wondering, Chandler, when do I shake my cocktail? Generally speaking, we recommend this mixing technique when your cocktail recipe includes juices. Shaking allows you to mix, chill, and dilute your cocktail before serving it. When using a Boston or a tin-on-tin shaker, pour your ingredients into the smaller of the 2 parts. However, if you are using a cobbler shaker or a Parisian, you can pour your liquids directly into the base. Once you've incorporated your ingredients into your glass or tin, whichever the case may be, you want to fill it half to about 3/4 way with ice. Once you've done that, take the larger part of your shaker and fit it over the smaller part. Give it a tap. This will help it seal. Flip it over. I like to give it a secondary tap just to be on the safe side. Once you're here, you will need to practice this a few times at home until you find a holding style that is comfortable for both the size of your hands and the way you move. I like to hold my shaker like so, kind of like a hug. However, if you don't feel confident shaking this way, you can also put your hand on the base of this part of the shaker to ensure that both parts stay snugly fit together while you're shaking. And then we shake. You can go back or forth. You can go up and down. Or you can do a combination of both. You want to shake most cocktails between 15 and 30 seconds. Once you've shaken your cocktail for the proper amount of time, you lower your shaker, give it a few good taps, separate the 2 parts, and then strain your cocktail into a glass. Now that you know how to shake a cocktail, you can get behind your bar at home and test this out as many times as necessary until you find your personal style. Thank you for joining me today. If you need any more tips or tricks on how to improve your bartending skills at home, don't forget to check out the rest of the videos on our channel. Cheers.